Uploading entire folders to iCloud is easy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you, step by step, how to do it from your desktop. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password, then complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Once you're signed in, click on the iCloud Drive icon to open your cloud storage. You'll now see your iCloud Drive, showing any existing folders and files you already have stored. Let's walk through two simple ways to upload a folder from your desktop into iCloud Drive. Method 1. Drag and drop. On your desktop, locate the folder you want to upload to iCloud. Click and hold the folder, then drag it into the iCloud Drive window in your browser. When you drop it, you'll see an upload progress indicator. Wait for it to finish before closing the page. Once the upload completes, your folder will appear in the iCloud Drive list, ready to access from any device. Method 2. Use the Upload button. In iCloud Drive, click the Upload icon, then choose your folder from the file picker. The folder will upload just like before. And that's it. Now you know two clean, simple ways to upload folders to iCloud from your desktop.